Hey, Foodie Chef Pete here. Carpizzo's Kitchen, Heel Eating Tea. So let me tell you, it's summertime. It gets hot. Don't turn on the oven. Get your slow cooker out, whatever brand you got, and make a meatloaf for your family in the slow cooker. It's really easy. A couple hours on high, 3 hours on low. Use a pound of whatever favorite meat you like. Today, I'm going to do it with ground turkey. Some nice ground turkey, and I've already put an egg in there. But I'm going to make today a French onion meatloaf. So, if you want to do this and follow my cue on this, you need to either buy one of those packages of French onion soup mix that's dry, or get a can of consommé. They have one in, it's like a consommé kind of French onion soup in a can. You can buy that. Just increase your dry ingredients. Okay, so to make this, it's very, very simple. You have an egg, you have a pound of meat, and then what I'm going to do is I make my own dried soup mix, onion soup mix. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, which will make the equivalent of a 1 ounce pack of the Knorr brand or your store-bought brand or whatever you like for French onion soup. Okay, all right. Now, for sauce today, well, I'm thinking, let me bring in the sauce. I am going to use a cup of bouillon I have right here, and what I'm going to do is, you can use whatever gravy you want to put with this later on the table, but to cook it, you need some liquid. So I'm going to put 1 cup right in the pot, right in my pot. And then, to continue on here with these ingredients, I'm going to add I've got some beautiful stuffing here, turkey stuffing. And I'm going to add that and then mix it all up. If I need a little extra, I'll use a little extra of the breadcrumbs, okay? So what we want to do is get this in here like this. We get them all in here. And you can use a spoon or whatever. But that's all the seasonings you need, is your French onion soup mix. And in we go. All right, so let's mix this up. Let's get the egg and everything going here. Because the French onion soup mix has salt to it already, because part of the soup mix is bouillon, okay? All right, so here we go. Let's get this all in here. And this is just a little bit too wet. And what I'm going to do is just rinse my hands and get a little more crumbs in there, so we get it a little bit more so that it's not quite as loose. Okay, so let's add about another quarter cup here. I'm going to add just a little more, about a ½ cup more. All right, so we'll mix this all in. Let's get this all mixed in. Okay, so now he's forming much better. He's holding together better. You don't want it too wet. If you make it too wet, but you also don't want it too dry, right? Okay, foodies? All right, so there we go. We're going to get this all mixed in, just like this. We got all the goodness of the onion soup mix in there, the dry mix, and then we just grab this, just like this, and we're going to take him and place him into the slow cooker in the dead center. I'm making a circle, a nice circle out of this. We'll have a circle meatloaf, and then when we come back, we'll show you how this looks on the plate when we're going to eat it. So this is Pete out.